Ever tried to send money to a friend and gotten stuck in a maze of logos and options? You're not alone. Between PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and the countless other money transfer services out there, it's easy to get confused. Especially when names like Zelle and PayPal get thrown around interchangeably. So, can you use PayPal to send money to someone using Zelle? Let's clear this up and break down exactly how Zelle and PayPal work, because understanding the difference can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Zelle, simplicity on the move. Imagine Zelle as your inner circle money mover. It's a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service built directly into your existing banking app. Think of it like paying a friend back for lunch through your bank's messaging system. Here's the key: Zelle only works between accounts in the U.S. enrolled in the service. If your bank offers Zelle, you can typically find it within your mobile banking app. Using Zelle is straightforward. You'll need your recipient's enrolled mobile number or email address linked to their bank account. Once you have that information, you simply choose how much you want to send and hit confirm. The money moves directly from your bank account to theirs, usually in minutes. Pros of Zelle. Fast and convenient, transfers are typically completed within minutes. Free for many users, many banks offer Zelle without additional fees, although some may have transaction limits. Be sure to check with your bank for any specific charges. Secure, Zelle uses your existing bank security measures, so you don't need to create a separate login. Cons of Zelle. Limited user base, only works between U.S. bank accounts enrolled in Zelle. No seller protection, Zelle is intended for friends and family, so there's no buyer-seller protection if you're using it for a business transaction. PayPal, the global money mover. Think of PayPal as your international money muscle. It's an online payment service that lets you send, receive, and shop using a linked bank account, credit card, or debit card. Here's the beauty of PayPal: it works globally, meaning you can send and receive money from practically anywhere in the world. This makes it a great option for online shopping on international sites or sending money to friends and family overseas. Using PayPal is a little different from Zelle. You'll need to create a PayPal account and link a funding source like your bank account or debit card. Then, you can send money using the recipient's email address or phone number linked to their PayPal account. Pros of PayPal. Global reach, send and receive money internationally. Buyer and seller protection, offers protection for both buyers and sellers in online transactions. Widely accepted by millions of merchants worldwide for online shopping. Cons of PayPal. Fees. While some transactions are free, PayPal charges fees for certain services like international transfers or receiving business payments. Can be slow. Transfers can take several days to clear, especially for international transactions. So, can you use PayPal to send money through Zelle? Here's the short answer: no. Zelle and PayPal are separate services. You can't use PayPal to directly send money to someone using Zelle, and vice versa. Choosing between Zelle and PayPal. The best option for you depends on your needs. For quick and easy transfers between friends and family within the U.S., Zelle is the clear winner. It's fast, convenient, and often free. But if you need to send money internationally or shop online from global merchants, PayPal is the way to go. The wider reach and buyer/seller protection make it a more versatile option, even though it might involve some fees. Remember, before making any transfers, double-check the recipient's information and confirm they're using the correct service, Zelle or PayPal. Sending money through the wrong platform can lead to delays or even lost funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.